Back down on the Hobhole drain, fishing by the pump house. Very, very different from how you normally would see this on my last few videos. We're well into autumn, or fall as my American counterparts would say. Trying some spinning to see if we can catch some perch and pike fishing with Chris today. Heck mate, it's up and running mate. Just get her out. So where do I click? Sorry mate, it's already running mate. Ah. Almost a finger of skill, but just get rid of my scissors.
There we go, Donovan. Get those hooks out. Beautiful. Let's have a look at this beastie then. Look at that.
Boy.
What a beauty. Gives a smile, Donovan. First fish of the day. Well done that man. And off she goes. Happy with that, Don?
Very happy.
Well done, mate. That's brilliant. Oh, I'm chuffed to bits, mate.
Look, pike number 2. Just nice, another little jack. Caught on a silver, little, I think it's a little blue fox. What I'll do is I'll get him back in the water as soon as I can. Oops. There we have a nice picture of him. Oops. Laying down there for us. Let's get him back in the water. It's a bit of a bit when you're fishing by yourself. I don't want to help you with that. Fishing still down on the Hobhole drain. I've had 2 pike so far. Both fell to gold coloured blue foxes.
Neither of them are mine.
At the moment we've got a severe weather warning, and you might be able to see through there, we've got a storm coming in. We're going to have winds up to about 80 or something mile an hour. I know I spoke to my mate Roy in North Wales this morning. He's just told me they're actually getting ironed, and I think we're about to get it.